The Clarke IMIG100NG NoGas MIG welder is a quality, efficient product which is ideal for home usage, including automotive and general repairs. This easy-to-set-up MIG welder features a professional-style non-live torch, which allows the torch to be put down without the risk of sparking, plus turbofan cooling that allows longer periods of welding at full power. It features a hinge side door for easy access to the wire, and fully variable wire speed and voltage controls on the front panel for even easier use. The IMIG100NG will produce excellent results in various conditions and can weld mild steel up to 4 mm thick. It comes supplied with everything you need to start welding, including a professional-style torch assembly and an earth clamp and cable. Conforming to BS-EN 60974, the IMIG100NG is supplied with a standard 13-amp 230-volt plug, and weighing less than 6 kilos is easily transported using the top-mounted handle. A wide range of Clarke consumables are also available for this welder, including tips and 0.9mm flux cord wire. Clarke accessories include welding carts and clamps, plus Clarke safety equipment such as fume extractors, gauntlets, blankets, screens and aprons, as well as a large range of arc-activated masks. These masks give you the convenience of clear visibility when aligning the welding torch, then full, instant automatic protection when the arc is struck. The Clarke IMIG100NG, with variable power up to 120 amps, turbofan cooling for improved duty cycle and electronics life, fully variable electronic wire speed control, and thermal overload protection with auto reset. Plug in, switch on, and get welding.